And here I will show you how to put together a Castaway Hammock large tail. Uh, as you can see, it comes with 2 bays and 6 poles. Out of those 6 poles, 2 have end caps, and the other ones are extension poles. There's the end cap, how it looks like. Use one of the extended poles to hook together, and when it's done, just grab another extended pole and hook it up with the other one that has the end cap. It is so easy, even your children can do it. And once you've done that, you have the 2 that are left over, which are the poles for the base of the hammock. Here's my little girl attaching it together. You see how easy it was? You just push the pin and push it together, and it's that easy. Once you attach the final piece, all you have left over is the 2 side poles. The side poles are a little too hard. We'll find out that you have to jiggle it, to get it to fit real nicely. But once we got the hang of it, the other part was easy to put together. There it is. And bam, that's it. You put it together. What is left over is to put the hammock. We bought the same Castaway brand hammock, but I think you can buy any hammock. The stand came with those 2 change pieces. You just hook one side to the other. That easy. It can withstand 450 pounds, and those S hooks are to attach it to the other chains that comes with the hammock. And one thing we learned is that you want to get the maximum tension in here. So instead of hooking it to the first chain link, just attach it to the closest to that one right there. And instead of trying to hook it up in the middle there, because if you do that, it's not gonna have no tension whatsoever, and it's just gonna lay in the ground. So just like that. But we'll figure out real quick that we needed to put some tension, and once that is done, all is left is to enjoy the hammock. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.